Although we are technically in the new year, it's still really my birthday because it's still Capricorn season. I turned 26 this past December 30th. And I'm not done celebrating. So we're on our way to a couple of stores because I'm having a ramen themed late birthday party slash girls night in next weekend. So I have to pick up a couple of things for that. Number one, that's what we need. But I need a cup style. I mean, I could do a bowl.
Yeah,
I could do a bowl.
She had the bowls. The big
Okay. What flavor is this? Is this just like a regular food? They have a spicy too. But I mean, I'm gonna have some sriracha, so. Who knew it was so hard to pick noodles? You know it's serious. The kids at the school I work at, they go crazy for the K-pop Demon Hunters. I don't know what it is about these damn characters. Maybe I need to watch it. They're obsessed with them. That's the carbonara. Yeah. But that's what I was saying. Instead of getting the actual like carbonara noodle, do the bottle of sauce. Because I don't know if everybody likes this. So I'm thinking some more of like a.
But you have one already in the house.
Well, that could be mine. Or yeah, I could put it out. But I think, isn't this a popular, this is the one that was up front. I've also heard about this Samyang. I don't know which one. But, so we're going with this brand. It's the Shin Ramen. I don't want to mess anything up. Nongshim. That's the brand. Yeah. This is what we're gonna do for the party. I'm excited. Now we gotta get some toppings. Noodles secured. Now I have to figure out the seaweed, but I don't know good brands of seaweed. I don't know. For me, seaweed is just seaweed. We're in the aisle right now. At this point, I'm gonna close my eyes and just pick one up. Like, what are we talking about? Oh, that's what I need to get. Some of the Vietnamese coffee. Now that's good.
We can also go in and still sit something out of
a restaurant. Y'all, we ain't been in the new year for 3 days yet. We already got this. It's cute though. I gotta give it to him. It's so cute. I want this shirt. Oh, this one's cute too. I want this. I want all of these. 1, 2, and 3. We're thinking about staying with this Asian theme. So maybe getting them a gift bag with some Pocky in there. I picked this up. It's like a little star backdrop. Because I have a blank back wall and I feel like we could do a picture moment. Right? Look at this shirt. Can you hold this up? This is so cute. I love Five Below. I wish everything was 5 and below, but whatever. Good morning. Happy Sunday. This is the last weekend before I have to return to work. I gotta go back to work tomorrow. She gotta go back to work tomorrow. We gotta go back to work tomorrow. Been off for 2 weeks. Like, this is treacherous. On the to-do list is Walmart. Is that it? I think that might be it. There's also a few more things that I need to get for my party. The main thing that we got was the noodles. That's about it. I did grab some gift bags from the Dollar Tree and a couple of goodies to go in there. It's like, you know, a traditional little birthday party when, you know, the family send home a goodie bag. That's what it is. Also got a tablecloth, a backdrop, and that's all I could think about. But we're trying to stay on theme. So we're thinking about picking up some Pocky, some boba, some chopsticks. We have the noodles that are in the bowl, so they could just eat up out of there. We don't need to do all of that. And then of course the ingredients. The goal is to have a spread. I saw a TikTok video, which is what I sent to her, that's kind of like the inspo for this, because this is my first time hosting anything. I'm trying to keep it light, simple, reduce all the cleanup and stuff. Yeah, we're trying to make this fun, but not so much work. I'm not a party planner. Hey guys, happy Friday. We are T-minus an hour and 30 minutes away from the Ramen birthday celebration. My mom and I just got back in the house from running to the store and getting some last minute things. So now is crunch time, prep. We have some food items, but we need to really set things up, do the gift bags, and just put some items away. So I'm not gonna do too much talking, more so just showing y'all what's going on. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, it's all right. Let me pass it out.